Dongguan Chuangdian Clothing Co., LTD, Innovating Textile Excellence across knit and woven apparel. Established in 2008, Dongguan Chuangdian Clothing Co. has evolved from a specialized sweater manufacturer into a comprehensive knit and woven apparel, OEM and ODM production group, positioning itself as a leading integrated enterprise in the global garment industry. With over 17 years of expertise, we now proudly operate a diversified manufacturing platform encompassing sweater, knitting and woven garment production, serving a wide range of markets including children's, women's and men's apparel. Strategically located in Dalian, Dongguan City, renowned as China's international wool and textile hub, our operations benefit from a pristine environment, seamless transportation access, and immature supply chain ecosystem. This strategic advantage strengthens our competitiveness in both domestic and international markets. Our group operates across multiple advanced production bases. Main plant, specializing in sweaters, equipped with state-of-the-art technology. For example, the seamless, 2 dedicated subsidiaries. One focused on woven knitwear, the other on textile product spot supply, enabling us to offer full category solutions with flexibility and precision. Advanced manufacturing capabilities. We leverage cutting-edge equipment and automated systems to ensure high efficiency and consistent quality. 300 sets of automatic computerized knitting machines sweater, 200 sets of automatic sewing machines, knitwear and woven, fully optimized cut make trim CMT and ODM, OEM, production lines for both knit and woven fabrics. With a total daily output capacity, sweater, exceeding 10,000 pieces, knitwear and woven, 12,000 pieces, and a spacious 3000 加3000加2000 square meter warehouses for efficient inventory and logistics management. We guarantee timely delivery and scalable production for clients of all sizes. Quality first. Innovation driven, we uphold the core principle. Quality is life. Defect is fatal. From design and R&D to fabric sourcing, sample development, bulk production, and final inspection, every step is governed by strict quality control protocols. Our integrated operations cover design, research and development, production, sales and after-sales service, ensuring end-to-end excellence. Our professional teams deliver customized solutions for global brands, retailers and design houses offering ODM OEM services with fast turnaround, sustainable material sourcing, and ECO-friendly processes. Innovative fabric development for knit and woven textiles. End-to-end supply chain support, including labeling, packaging, and global shipping. Our commitment, guided by the values of integrity, mutual benefit and sustainable growth. We build long-term partnerships based on trust and shared success. Whether you need a small batch of premium sweaters or large volume production of mixed knit and woven collections, Chuangdian is your reliable, agile and high-quality manufacturing partner. At Dongguan Chuangdian Clothing, we don't just make clothes, we craft solutions that bring your vision to life with precision, passion, and performance. Welcome to the future of versatile apparel manufacturing.
Dongguan Chuangdian Clothing Co. Limited. Our woven and knit cut and sewing factory is dedicated to delivering high-quality woven and knit apparel through advanced OEM and ODM services. Since the group's establishment in 2008, we have leveraged over 17 years of industry expertise to become a trusted partner in the global garment sector, focusing exclusively on woven and knit garment manufacturing for children's, women's, and men's wear markets. Advanced manufacturing capabilities. We deploy cutting-edge technology and automation to ensure exceptional quality and productivity. 200 sets of automatic sewing machines, automated intelligent tanning system, daily production capacity of 12,000 pieces for knitwear and woven apparel, integrated 3,000 square meters warehouse, For streamlined inventory and logistics management, our modern facilities support scalable production, enabling us to meet diverse order volumes with consistent quality and prompt delivery.